Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Coinbase API settings for custom portfolio trackers. Full guide step by step clearly. To update your Coinbase API settings for custom portfolio trackers, start by logging into your Coinbase account. Once logged in, navigate to the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, locate and click on the API tab. Now, you will see an option to create a new API key. Click on the New API Key button. You will be prompted to configure permissions for your API key. Choose the permissions that align with your portfolio tracker needs, such as View for read-only access. After selecting the necessary permissions, click Create API Key. Once the key is generated, it will be displayed on your screen. Copy the API key securely and store it in a safe location. Next, log into your custom portfolio tracker platform. Locate the section for integrating with Coinbase. Paste your copied API key into the designated field on the tracker. Make sure to save any changes in the portfolio tracker settings. Return to your Coinbase account to finalize your settings. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Once everything is set up, test the connection between your Coinbase account and your portfolio tracker. If successful, your portfolio tracker should now display live data from your Coinbase account. Regularly check your API settings and permissions to ensure everything remains secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.